What if I told you that you don't need to show your face, create your own products, or work a 9-to-5 job to make money online? Hi, my name is Sammy, and welcome to my channel. On this channel, I teach YouTube automation and e-commerce dropshipping, two powerful online business models anyone can start. YouTube automation is a system where you run YouTube channels without showing your face. You outsource video creation, upload consistently, and earn money through YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, and brand deals. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business where you sell products online without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to them. I combine YouTube automation and dropshipping because YouTube gives you free traffic and trust, while e-commerce turns that traffic into income. Together, they create a smart and scalable online income system. This channel is for beginners, freelancers, students, and anyone who wants to build an online income the right way, step by step, without hype. If that sounds like you, subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting weekly videos on YouTube automation, dropshipping, and online business strategies. Let's grow and build together.